Hi guys, I'm just doing a quick follow-up video because one of my videos that I have uploaded has actually got a lot of interest, and it's a video that I've wanted to do for some time now. I hope you can hear me over the noise of the dishwasher. We actually have the world's noisiest dishwasher in the world here, so I hope you can hear me okay. In my previous video I showed you the power pack system which I'd built up, which was a 7.2 ampere sealed lead acid battery, a solar panel charging unit, and just a watt meter on the top there, so I could actually see what the current situation was the battery. Now it's very good. I can take it out and I can use it portable pretty much all day without the solar panel on my QRP radio setup, which is the KX3. But the biggest problem with this power pack is its colossal weight. And in fact, one of the YouTube comments I had was it was just way too heavy, and to be honest with you, it is. It's perfect if your car park portable, so you can leave it in the boot of the car, or if you've got a trolley or some method that you don't actually have to strap it to your back and carry it. It's absolutely fine for that, but it is just too heavy. To give you an idea of how heavy it is, I've just got some scales here, and in grams, let me put it here so you can see it there. Grams. Ugh. Well, it's 2.5 kilograms. Look. So yeah, that's a heavy old lump. So I started looking around and I started to Google different power supply options and lightweight options, and one of the big things that was being discussed was lithium polymer, and I actually found a really nice self-contained unit which I found on eBay. Sorry, not eBay, I actually found online by a company called Tracker. I don't know if you can see that. And this here, 12 volts, 8 ampere, and that's it. Its obvious advantage is its weight, 8 ampere for that. I'll give you an idea of how heavy this battery pack is. It's 540 grams, so half a kilogram, which is astonishing. They do have some downsides. If you overcharge them, they blow up. If you treat them incorrectly, they blow up. They only actually level off at 12 volts, so you won't get 13.4 volts out of them. But I can make do with a 12 volt 8 ampere supply. I also can't use my solar panel charging circuit on them because it's pretty particular over the input voltage it needs to charge it up. And actually, when I bought this, it comes with a couple of things. It comes with obviously the lead to plug in and use it. I've adapted it and I've put some inline 4mm banana sockets on there to replicate what I've got here. Comes with a car charger, comes with a mains charger as well, and a few other bits and bobs as well. And it comes in a very nice little pouch as well, which has a belt strap on the back as well, so you can actually bolt it to your belt. It's really useful actually. You don't need a watts meter, because you can see the condition of the battery by pressing, let me do that again, by pressing this button here, and you can see how good the battery is, and at the moment it's fully charged. That was even after I used it the other day. We had a power cut here at home for a few hours, so I actually used this one to supply my broadband router some power, and I used my broadband via this, which worked fine for about 3 hours, and it's still saying it's fully charged, so there we go. So yeah, that's what I carry around with me now. This battery pack, that's it in its entirety. I've adapted some leads here, so what I've done is I've put 4mm banana sockets on the lead. There we go. I've got some other leads here which I carry around in my bag, so I've got a cigarette socket, 2 banana plugs, so I can plug it in. I haven't gone over to power pole yet, simply because everything's 4mm banana plugs. The idea being is that I can take this and plug it into a 12 volt power supply and it will work. My KX3 leads and my Yaesu leads, they've all got 4mm banana plugs on them. This one here is my, let's have a look. Yeah, this one here is my KX3 lead, so it's got banana plugs. And like I said, you know, I can plug that straight into here. I can plug it straight into my power supply because it's got 4mm posts on it. So that's really it. It's a big update. It's a big change in my power supply. This hasn't lost a home. That's still used because I've still got a 20 watt solar panel, and what I do is I keep that in the car because, you know, there are times that I'm not out in the middle of nowhere. I'm actually just based outside of the car park portable. So I would use this all day long, no problems at all, and it's got a solar panel as well, so it's quite nice to just keep it topped up with that. And yeah, and it does a fantastic job. But this is amazing. So all that power, the same power. I mean, it's smaller, lighter. Everything's better about it. The only problem with it was 120 quid. But if you use it, it's worth it. And lithium polymer, well, it'll only come down in price. I mean, you think years ago, NiCad batteries, years and years ago, they were very expensive. And the price of those just rocketed down as they got used more and more. So there we go, 8 ampere lithium polymer sealed power supply, power source. Very happy with it so far. I've used it out and about extensively, charged it once. Yeah, worthwhile looking into, guys.